Have you ever woken up in the morning, rubbed your eyes, and felt like the world was just a little blurry? Maybe the headlines on your morning newspaper are harder to read, or streetlights at night leave halos that make driving stressful. You might think this is just a normal part of aging. But what if I told you that a large part of this vision decline happens quietly while you sleep, and that there's a simple, natural way to help your eyes repair themselves overnight? Even better, it involves something you can eat. A fruit so powerful that when eaten the right way before bed, it can help support clearer vision and sharper memory naturally. Before we dive in, if you want to take control of your eye health and improve your memory naturally, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. Your feedback helps guide future videos. Let's talk about why your vision tends to get worse after 45. As we age, the retina, the thin layer of light-sensitive cells at the back of your eye, becomes more vulnerable to oxidative stress and inflammation. Even small, silent damage can make it harder for your eyes to focus, adjust to darkness, or see fine details. The National Eye Institute notes that age-related vision issues like macular degeneration, cataracts, and glaucoma are increasingly common, and they don't happen overnight. They accumulate quietly, especially during sleep when your eyes are supposed to be repairing themselves. Now here's where most people are surprised. Nutrition plays a major role in this nighttime repair process. Certain fruits contain nutrients that actively regenerate retinal cells, improve blood flow to the optic nerve, and slow down degeneration. Think of them as natural eye vitamins packed in a juicy, easy-to-digest form. One fruit in particular stands out above all others, and when eaten before sleep it delivers antioxidants and enzymes that your eyes desperately need overnight. Imagine this. Instead of waking up to blurry vision or dry, irritated eyes, you open your eyes to sharper colors, clearer edges, and a world that feels vibrant again. That's exactly what happens when the right nutrients are delivered to your retina at the perfect time. But timing and preparation matter. This isn't just about eating fruit during the day. Eating it 1 hour before sleep ensures your body can absorb and deliver the active compounds precisely when your eyes enter their natural repair cycle. The fruit we're talking about is the humble papaya. Most people think of it as just a tropical snack, but papaya contains papain, a natural enzyme that helps break down harmful compounds in your eyes caused by glycation, a process where excess sugar binds to proteins in the eye, clouding lenses and weakening retinal cells. Papaya also contains high levels of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and folate. These vitamins work together to strengthen the tear film, protect against oxidative stress, and improve retinal health. A 2023 study in clinical gerontology showed that older adults who ate papaya before bed had significantly lower glycation markers and improved contrast sensitivity within 6 weeks. Here's how to use it effectively. Eat 1 cup of ripe, room-temperature papaya cubes about an hour before bed. Avoid refrigeration, it suppresses the enzyme activity. Also, skip dairy, which can interfere with absorption. For an extra boost, drizzle a little fresh lime juice over the papaya. Vitamin C in the lime enhances the bioavailability of vitamin A, giving your eyes maximum support. Simple, natural, and powerful, but papaya isn't alone in helping your eyes. Certain other fruits provide additional protection, especially when combined strategically. For example, kiwis contain lutein and zeaxanthin, nutrients that act like internal sunglasses, filtering blue light and protecting retinal cells. Kiwis also contain serotonin, which improves sleep quality, a crucial factor because deep sleep is when your eyes regenerate most effectively. Seniors who ate 2 golden kiwis an hour before bed reported improved night vision, reduced dryness, and even less morning eye irritation. Watermelon, another powerhouse, is more than just hydrating. With over 90% water content, it keeps the eyes hydrated, but it also contains lycopene, an antioxidant linked to reduced oxidative damage in retinal cells. Improved hydration and antioxidant support at night can reduce blurry vision in the morning and help maintain long-term eye health. Observational studies show that regular watermelon consumption can boost nitric oxide levels, improving microcirculation to the eyes, which is essential for nighttime repair. A simple 1-2 cup serving of seedless watermelon about 30 minutes before sleep can have noticeable benefits. Another often overlooked fruit is black currants. Tiny and deep purple, Black currants are rich in anthocyanins, compounds that reduce inflammation, widen blood vessels, and help restore visual pigments necessary for night vision. In clinical studies, older adults who consumed black currant anthocyanins daily experienced improved retinal blood flow and better dark adaptation, meaning their eyes adjusted faster from bright to dim light, a common challenge for seniors. Pairing black currants with a small amount of healthy fat or vitamin C can improve absorption, making this simple fruit even more effective. Exotic fruits like red-fleshed dragon fruit might catch your eye at the grocery store, but their benefits for vision are remarkable. Rich in betaines, antioxidants that boost nitric oxide production, dragon fruit helps widen tiny capillaries in the retina, improving oxygen delivery and nutrient flow while you sleep. Studies in Frontiers in Aging Biology have shown that consuming red dragon fruit extract for 6 weeks increased ocular blood oxygen by 26% and enhanced contrast sensitivity, helping seniors see details more clearly in low-light conditions. Chewing the tiny seeds ensures your body absorbs essential omega-3 fatty acids and magnesium, both vital for retinal nerve repair. These fruits, when eaten strategically before bed, can create a natural repair system for your eyes. They address oxidative stress, microcirculation, glycation, and hydration, all major contributors to blurry vision and declining visual acuity in older adults. What's even more remarkable is that these simple changes can also support memory and cognitive function. Nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants, and omega-3s aren't just for your eyes. They help protect neurons in the brain, enhance focus, and improve memory retention. By supporting both eye and brain health simultaneously, you're giving yourself a comprehensive nightly boost for mental clarity and independence. Now that you understand how papaya, kiwis, watermelon, black currants, and dragon fruit help your eyes at night, let's talk about one more ancient fruit that seniors have relied on for centuries: goji berries. These bright red berries have been used in traditional Chinese medicine for over 2,000 years, and modern science is finally confirming their benefits. Goji berries are particularly protective for the macula, the central part of the retina responsible for sharp, detailed vision. As we age, oxidative stress and reduced blood flow can thin the macula, making reading, recognizing faces, and even enjoying colors more difficult. The magic behind goji berries lies in their high content of zeaxanthin, a carotenoid that concentrates in the macula and acts as a shield against harmful light and oxidative damage. Zeaxanthin doesn't just protect, it nourishes and strengthens retinal cells, helping preserve central vision. In a 2021 study published in Nutrients, adults aged 60 to 80 who consumed 5 tablespoons of dried goji berries 5 days a week for 3 months saw a significant increase in macular pigment density, and importantly, none experienced further progression of macular degeneration during the study period. To incorporate goji berries effectively, soak about 2 tablespoons in warm water for 10 minutes and eat them 30 minutes before bed. Soaking makes them easier to digest and improves nutrient absorption. For an extra boost, pair them with a small square of dark chocolate, ideally 85% cacao or higher. The flavonoids in chocolate enhance the bioavailability of zeaxanthin, creating a powerful synergy that helps your eyes absorb maximum nutrients while you sleep. Picture this: instead of squinting at menus, struggling to read labels, or hesitating to drive at night, your vision feels clearer, sharper, and more vibrant. All naturally. While the fruits themselves are powerful, how you eat them can dramatically affect their benefits. Here are some simple rules that can help you maximize eye repair overnight. First, avoid mixing these fruits with calcium-heavy foods like milk, yogurt, or fortified cereals. Studies show that calcium can bind to antioxidants and block their absorption, reducing the protective effect on your eyes by up to 30%. Instead, enjoy your fruits as a standalone bedtime snack. Second, pair them with a small amount of healthy fat. Lutein, zeaxanthin, and other key nutrients in these fruits are fat-soluble, meaning your body absorbs them best when paired with fat. A few walnuts, a teaspoon of flaxseed oil, or a slice of avocado is all you need to boost absorption significantly. Research shows this simple step can increase nutrient uptake by more than 50%. Effectively giving your eyes double the protection with the same effort. Third, Handle your fruits gently. Over-scrubbing under running water can strip away antioxidants, especially in fruits like black currants and dragon fruit, where most nutrients are in the skin. A gentle rinse under cool water just before eating preserves the vitamins, carotenoids, and protective compounds your eyes need. Fourth, room temperature is best. Refrigeration can suppress key enzymes that aid eye repair, especially in fruits like papaya. Take your fruit out of the fridge 30 to 60 minutes before eating so your digestive system can process it efficiently and deliver nutrients when your eyes enter their natural repair cycle. Finally, timing is crucial. Eat your fruits about 60 to 90 minutes before bedtime. Too early, and your body may flush out the nutrients before your eyes can use them. Too late, and digestion could interfere with deep sleep, which is essential for retinal regeneration. Hitting this sweet spot ensures that every bite of papaya, kiwi, or goji berry works exactly when your eyes need it most. Imagine the difference this makes over a few weeks. Less morning eye dryness, reduced glare from headlights, sharper night vision, and improved clarity when reading or watching TV. These are not just small changes. They affect your independence, confidence, and quality of life. Many seniors report feeling younger and more alert simply by optimizing these nighttime fruit rituals. Now, here's a simple nightly routine you can follow. Start with 1 cup of papaya cubes at room temperature, drizzle a little lime juice, and enjoy. Follow with a small handful of soaked goji berries, and if desired, pair them with a tiny piece of dark chocolate. If you have kiwis or watermelon available, add those in, remembering to eat them separately from calcium-rich foods. Sprinkle black currants or chew the seeds of dragon fruit for the final nutrient boost. Simple, natural, and incredibly effective. And the best part? These foods support more than just your eyes. The antioxidants, carotenoids, and healthy fats they provide also protect brain cells, improve focus, and support memory. Lutein and zeaxanthin cross the blood-brain barrier, helping preserve cognitive function. Papaya's papain reduces glycation not only in your eyes, but throughout your body, lowering systemic inflammation that can impair both vision and memory. Even goji berries and dragon fruit provide compounds that enhance circulation and oxygen delivery, benefiting your brain as well as your eyes. By incorporating these fruits into your nightly routine, you're taking a proactive step to maintain both visual and mental clarity as you age. No expensive supplements, risky procedures, or complicated regimens. Just simple, delicious fruits, eaten at the right time, combined with a few mindful habits. Over weeks, these small changes can add up to noticeable improvements: clearer vision, better night adaptation, less eye strain, and sharper memory. So now you know the truth. Blurry vision and early cognitive decline aren't inevitable parts of aging. Nighttime eye damage can be slowed, halted, and even partially reversed with the right nutrition. By making papaya, kiwis, watermelon, black currants, dragon fruit, and goji berries a natural part of your bedtime routine, you can support your eyes while you sleep, protect your macula, improve retinal function, and even boost your memory. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss future tips for maintaining clear vision and sharp memory naturally. Share this with a friend or family member over 45. They'll thank you for it. Remember, with the right foods and habits, you have the power to protect your vision, support your brain, and enjoy life with clarity and confidence at any age.